So you want to start wholesaling houses full time. What's up, guys? Zach in here, and in today's video, I'm talking to someone today, and we are breaking down exactly what you should be doing when it comes to wholesaling houses full time, what your plan should be, and what you should be expecting and doing for success when it comes to wholesaling houses full time. Before we get into it, guys, remember you need to smash that like button and subscribe to get the most true value from me. Let's get in the video. Jacob.
What's up, man?
Bro,
Can you
you
hear
have
me?
commented so many times,
Yes, I
and
have.
it's finally awesome to finally see you connect actually in
Yeah,
person. I
right?
like to have a connection. So thanks,
Definitely,
man. I
Zach.
appreciate you.
No, thank you. You've changed my life, you and your dad.
Awesome, man. So I know you from comments, you've gone, you dove in. So
Yes,
what's
I
going on,
did.
man? What's
So
going
it's
on?
it's day 9, full time, unemployed. Yeah, and it's crazy, man. I actually 2 days ago I was networking on Facebook, and somebody that works with Charles out here, HBHS, he hit me up, invited me out there, so I was able to go out there and meet some people from over there. And so they gave me some deals to Dispo as well as some other people out here. Been networking like mad, and I don't really have a good system to dispo. I haven't focused on that so much as I have acquisitions. It's easy, sit down, run through your dialer for hours, and then just
What
follow up with
market?
your leads. San Antonio.
Oh, okay. That's how you know Charles. Okay. Charles, great guy.
Yeah,
Shout out to him.
yeah. And so, really, my first question is, what kind of system do you guys use for dispoing to buyers? Is it email, text? Is it a combination of both? And then, do you use like Mailchimp or something like that?
Yeah, man. I'd love to give you all the secrets. So first of all, man, I commend you for what you're doing
Thank you.
in San Antonio, bro. Focus on getting the seller. Like the
Mm,
cash buyer is easy, man. Worst
okay.
case scenario, Charles will just JV with you and his team or Manny or whatever, whoever's over there.
Yeah.
They got the buyer. So there's so many other people there that do well. So you can JV worst case scenario, right? It's
Hmm.
finding the seller that's hard in San Antonio, not the
Hmm.
cash buyer. Maybe if
Okay.
the market shifts over, it'll change.
Hmm.
So, uh, okay. So in San Antonio, when we're pulling from Facebook, we'll email. MailChimp is not good. I did a big tutorial on MailChimp because that's what we're using. And then we got so many buyers because we started doing virtual
Hmm.
that GMass is way better. G GMass, it's on gmass.com, but it's gmass.co. That works a
Gmail.co.
lot
Okay.
better. Yeah, that
Okay.
works a lot better than MailChimp.
Okay.
Um, and we do a lot of because we do a lot of virtual wholesaling, so and JVing. So that one's really good. Honestly, cold calling cash sales. You've
Hmm.
seen plenty of my stuff. You know, I just scream about that. Messenger also on Facebook's legit.
Hmm.
You see,
Okay.
hey, I'm a cash buyer in San Antonio. Facebook message them, right? You get 50 a day.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's 50 times 365? That's a lot of cash buyers. You can do it. Everyone reads their messenger except for me because I get too much. Create another Facebook account. Like
Yeah.
do whatever you have to. But
Mhm.
Facebook Messenger is really good. It's like texting but better. Get a proof of funds, put them on your Podio, and you're good to go.
Sweet, man. All right. Another question for you is your favorite inbound marketing channel. And you guys are pretty big, so have you guys ever experimented with billboards or radio ads for your own
Um,
companies?
we've done radio ads.
Hmm.
We've never done billboards. My favorite inbound is direct mail. It is not.
Okay.
It will never be anything else except we're running 7-figure operation. We are in Florida, so in Florida we're at direct mail. It works very well. We text blast, we cold call. I do everything.
Hmm.
Direct mail has been the best for us because at the volume we're doing, we can afford to spend 20, 30, even 20 sometimes, or even as low as 10 on direct mail because we're doing a lot of 40, 50, $60,000 deals. It makes sense for us.
Right.
We can push the envelope for doing direct mail.
Okay.
Favorite inbound all times, Bandit Signs. That's how I got started. It's the cheapest. It's my favorite. Bandit Signs, San Antonio is probably not going to be the best.
Yeah,
Um,
well, I'm trying neighborhood signs, so I don't know if you can see this, but I got I think it's 60 of these for $10, and I got somebody making a stencil so I can just spray paint did the math. 1,000 of these will cost about $80 to do. So
Is that
I
a
don't
stencil
know.
or a?
It's a foam, yeah, so this is like a really
Can you just
thin
spray paint it?
foam thing, yeah, and you can spray paint it. So I got safety orange, some other colors, and, yeah, it's just a thin thing. I'm gonna run wire through them, zip tie them. It's the DIY mind from working years of construction. It's now
All right.
behind me.
All right.
But
Well,
yeah,
I have.
so I'm gonna try that. We'll see how that goes.
I'm not a lawyer, financial advisor. My lawyer will tell you that I have no opinion on that. Always do whatever's legal. But again,
Yeah,
bandit signs, were they legal when I did it? I don't know. But you do whatever you can. So um that works too. Reverse drawing for dollars is another really good one.
mhm,
Just literally putting sticky notes on pre-foreclosures and tax liens really well. I know from my conversations with people from San Antonio, some markets are really hot, some aren't. You're going to have to start learning that market really well. I would steal. I can be honest. I would steal cash buyers. So that's a despo thing. So
yeah,
I don't do this with like you went Charles. I wouldn't go after him, but there's a
right,
lot of big. I'm not calling them gurus, but like people that do a lot of deals or they talk they do a lot of deals.
mhm,
Find out what that company's name is, and then look them up. And you can actually find that hey, they're doing these deals, and then find out their cash buyer. And if you find their cash buyer, search that
mhm,
cash buyer up, and you'll see where they're buying, and that you can. It works really well. Um,
smart,
if you see another big like wholesaler that's actually starting to flip properties and doing really good profits in San Antonio, look
mhm,
them up on the property appraiser. You're going to find out, Marvel City, whatever buyer, he's buying a lot in the 4433 zip code. Like 80% of his buys are in that zip code. Huh. Then you can start doing research, and then just start, oh, wow, that zip code's actually good. So I would start looking up these people that are actually buying their own deals, find out
mhm.
what zip codes are working well. That's one of the big advantages. I'll be honest, in my market, there's like 15 zip codes. 90% of my deals are within four.
Okay.
So you got to find the right ones. And
Yeah.
that's another big hack I can give to you. Go to
Yeah.
RIAs, talk to cash buyers. And once you find cash buyers that work with wholesalers, look up where they're doing it. And that's a big advantage I can tell you right now. But yeah, man,
Awesome.
JV, if you have to right now, I think it's
Yeah.
really easy to find a cash buyer.
Okay.
For
Awesome,
inbound,
man.
I would have to say inbound reverse drawing for dollars.
Mhm.
Um, right now, I'd say.
Cool. All right. Thank you. So part of your 5 deals a month system is sitting here for 5 hours and going through mind-numbing cold calling, right?
Oh
And
yeah.
I'll be honest, it is mind-numbing. I get done and I have to just sit down and let my mind come back to me. But one thing I'm doing is because I'm trying to be as frugal as possible until I've got money coming in. I did spend money on some lists, and this one's about 2,000. It's the one that I have left because I was doing virtual. So San Antonio only had one list. It was about 2,000 long. How many times would you think running through a dialer, setting it to 4 lines per dial? How many times would you run through that?
Probably once a month.
Oh, okay.
Uh, if it's mind numbing, man, do something that's not mind numbing. So, do you like music or podcasts or anything like that?
Yeah.
I would just put some headphones in and drive for dollars and do reverse drawing for dollars. You
Okay.
don't have to you. I'm telling you, you want 5 deals a month, do that. But you could
Mhm.
also just try cold call drawing for dollars leads, and that'll give you a better ROI.
Okay. Cool.
And then you can have
Thanks.
people inbounding for you. That stencil
Right.
thing, they'll probably do decent for you. I don't know the results are going to be from there.
I'll let you know
Yeah, let me know.
if I don't get locked up.
Oh my gosh. We'll make a GoFundMe to get you out. But
There we go.
yeah, I'd probably I would just go after a lot easier lists to do. So
Okay.
code violations. The high equity
Mhm.
one's nice, but it
Mhm.
is mind numbing for a lot of people. So I would do drawing for dollars as something that keeps you kind of engaged.
Okay. And that actually brings me to my last question. And that is so here at Bear County, you've got to email them, you got to set up an account on their county website, and then you've got to let them know exactly what you're looking for. They don't ask why. So They say it takes like 8 to 10 business days to get back to me. I'm still waiting, but I asked them about the evictions, the water shutoffs, and the code violations. And what I'm wondering is, do you know people? Have you talked to them about they're legit getting them from the county? Because what I don't want is to wait 8 to 10 business days, and then they say, oh, we can't give you this information, and then I try again, and I'm going through half a month, a little more without those awesome lists.
Well, first of all, I would go in person. What San Antonio's county is called?
Bear, and it's spelled Bexar.
Jesus Christ. Why? All right, Bear County. I would just go to court records. It's probably all messed up, so I can't find it. Let me go try to
Mm.
just see what I can do. Yeah. Okay.
And I did
Mm,
go in person. I talked to everybody and just told them what I was doing. And I basically told them I'm doing a little study. And that's why I need the information. And then once I went through that, a little objection wall, they'd say, okay, well, they'd ask around, and everybody would say, yeah, you've got to make an account online and do it that way. So came home, did that, and hopefully it works well.
Okay. Well, I'm going here. Let
Hmm.
me show you what I'm finding. Um, have you tried online?
I have, and I can get the foreclosures online. They showed me that, but as far as the other ones, yep, that's it.
In public notice, what kind of public notices are we finding? So these aren't people. Yeah, I'm just trying to see. Like, I would call and see how you actually pull it on there because that might be it. Got public notice, foreclosures, plots, commission courts. That's kind of very broad. There's not much on here. Are these
Mm.
deeds? So like you see here,
Mhm.
actually, this is the recorded date. So we can see here that we have a lien here for a Lucy. No, who's the name on this? Um, so the Maria Montanero.
Mhm.
This is her address. That's an IRS lien right there. I'd go after that too. You see that?
Where is this gold mine that you just found? I have been all over this website with people that work at the courthouse, and I haven't seen this.
So hold up, let me get it for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Um, paste in the comments, and
Cool.
go to private chat, and
Mhm.
I'll give it to you there,
Awesome.
dude. I don't do
Man.
anything fancy. I just
Oh
Bear
yeah.
County Public Records, and I just sift through it. Um,
Favoriting that page right now.
so IRS is probably what I'm seeing a lot.
Mhm.
Um, the IRS is probably the most
Sweet.
popular one. So maybe just
Yeah.
IRS liens you can get, but
Mhm.
I would play around with it, man. Like just start searching everything on there, and something's gonna
Mhm.
pop up really well.
Yeah, awesome, man. Yeah, dude, that's great. I knew that you'd probably be able to find it really fast. Those websites, I guess once you get used to them, that you kind of are able to navigate them really
I do so
seamlessly.
many, yeah.
Yeah. That's
Well, because I have
awesome.
to show the VA. Hey, what? They're like, what
Right.
website? Yeah, I'm like, oh,
Yep.
and go. So, yeah, man, go after it, man. Start doing those lists less mind numbing, but
Yeah.
hopefully you start going after there and getting some deals.
Thanks so much, Zach, for everything you guys do, you and your dad, man. And I actually did take took your advice. I hate social media, but I'm taking your advice because you do this for real. And so I actually made a YouTube channel, kind of following my crazy story here as well. I'm on Instagram now. So Omega.estate, if you're out here in San Antonio, hit me up. And I'm on YouTube. Find me, Jacob Gandy. uh, I actually just did a video on how I was finding cash buyers pretty successfully using open corporates and true people search. But it's all stuff that I just learned from you, man.
Awesome, man. I appreciate it.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
man, do a YouTube. It's not, you're going to make no money from it. I'm just letting you know.
Yeah.
I don't make money
Yeah.
on YouTube, so don't do it for the money.
Mhm.
I'm trying to change lives. So,
Yeah.
um, I would just be using social media for networking a lot. There's a lot of
Mhm.
JVs you can do in San Antonio. So I
Mhm.
appreciate it, man. Keep it up.
Yeah, dude. All right. Talk soon.
Thanks. Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.